Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Lumine Vibes, and today, we're diving deep into the world of meditation, a powerful practice that can lead you to inner peace and happiness. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just looking to enhance your well-being, this video is tailor-made for you. Stick around till the end because we've got some fantastic tips to help you get started and, of course, a special surprise. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Find your Zen zone. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of meditation, it's essential to create a peaceful space where you can truly connect with yourself. Find a spot that resonates with you. It could be a cozy corner of your bedroom, a serene garden, or even a quiet park bench. Make sure it's comfortable, free from distractions, and has a positive vibe. This will be your sanctuary for inner peace. Step 2. The right posture. Many people worry about sitting cross-legged in a pretzel shape when they think of meditation, but that's not necessary at all. The most important thing is to sit comfortably with your back straight, whether that's in a chair or on the floor. This posture will help you stay alert and prevent you from dozing off. Step 3. Breath control. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let it out slowly. Breathing is your anchor in meditation. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it goes in and out. If your mind starts to wander, and it probably will, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's like a mental gym for your mind. Step 4. Set an intention. Now, here's where the magic happens. Before diving deep into meditation, set a positive intention for your session. It could be something like, I am at peace, or I am filled with happiness. This intention guides your practice and helps you manifest those feelings in your life. Step 5. Guided meditation. If you're just starting out, you might find it helpful to follow a guided meditation. There are countless apps, videos, and audio recordings available that will lead you through the process. I recommend trying a few to see which one resonates with you the most. Step 6. Be patient. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's perfectly normal for your mind to wander and get distracted. The key is to be patient with yourself. Don't judge your thoughts or force them away. Acknowledge them and gently return to your breath or your intention. Step 7. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Just like any skill, meditation takes practice. Aim to meditate for a few minutes every day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to find that inner peace and happiness. And there you have it, the 7 easy steps to meditation that can bring you inner peace and happiness. But we're not done yet. Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was struggling with stress and anxiety. Meditation completely transformed my life. I was skeptical at first, but once I committed to it, my perspective changed. I felt more at peace, and happiness seemed to flow into my life effortlessly. So, here's your call to action. I want you to experience the same transformation in your life. Start your meditation journey today. Remember, we have an amazing surprise waiting for you, so keep watching. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried meditation before? What's your favorite meditation technique? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. For even more meditation guides, tips, and mindfulness content, head over to our channel. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay mindful, stay happy, and most importantly, stay at peace.